Vacation 2022 Travel Itinerary 1. Introduction 2. Duration of the trip 3. Means of transportation 4. Activities to do 5. Place to stay and typical food 6. Cost. Introduction. Cartagena, Colombia is a very beautiful place with great beach to enjoy the sun on sunny days. This place is located on the Colombian Caribbean coast. Duration of the trip. The duration of the trip is 4 days and 3 nights of happiness. The first day, if you arrive early, you can go to the beach. The second day, you can visit the castle of San Felipe and learn about its history. The third day, he knows the streets of the walled city and the night dress in white enjoys the fresh wind. On the fourth day, you can visit Baru, where the beach is spectacular for its crystal clear waters. I really like to go. Means of transportation. You can travel by plane or by road. By plane, you get to your destination faster, while by car you can enjoy seeing the towns and serving the food. Activities to do. As he was saying in the previous point, every day it is a good idea to enjoy the beach. But in order to get to know the emblematic cities, you must make a list of them and organize a visit routes. Visit the status of the boat, the well of the stern, the walled city and the club, Baru Beach and Bomba Beach Island. Plus, place to stay. You can stay at the Casa de las Palmas Hotel in Gethsemane or at the Agenda Casa Can Hotel. They are good, comfortable place at excellent price. Typical food. You can eat fried fish with coconut rice, seafood casserole, citrus juice, coconut water. Cost. To travel in low season, the tour package will be of the 1,600,000 pieces, include round trip plane ticket, transfer airport, hotel airport, loading and feeding. General tips. Be careful with your belongings. Always be accompanied. If you are going to buy liquor, do it in a safe place, not on the street. Be friendly with the environment. Deposit the garbage in the respected containers. contact information or agent 10 student English course B1 June 2022. Thank you.